teman ya di kamjai jai mong.
Teman ko pa mian eh. Yang hana hab mudu ya MLA sungi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino memang ah. Abang alim tak lah post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Kinoilam jong all Meghalaya Karbi Association kebelong ke kinhun jeng jai penderu Karbi kala Kyntu ke sorkar Meghalaya makan Shimkhia halo ki Jingïakajia port hakat hai block 1 ber block 2 khnang makan wanra ek Jingïakajia jan habdeng ki khasi jaintia bat ki Karbi kata kalong ki khasi ba jaintia ki besyang masa ha Karbi anglong bat ki Karbi ki besyang masa ha Meghalaya kediga jing Kyntu jong kinoilam ko all Meghalaya Karbi Association kala pau ke jing kendu lang kebashi sisnem jeng ipat Karbi kebasyang masa ha Meghalaya. Ya kediga jeng kendu lang kebaar sengi kebelatip ru kum ke 51 annual conference lapin kutno ha kap khandai truk lalingkot arhajar apun riu ha kesnong khatlaimer tamul kuchi bernihat hari boy district ha kebalasa kilang do menteri ke sorkar jelau ba sostena sotun ublalong kumukongsan wemeli kanong po uba merel bonds im wemeli ku umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ka MDC jong kanong po ka kongruna khemdai Executive Member Jong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Usurya Rongphar Bakinoilam Jong all Meghalaya Karbi Association Bat Kiwe
and custom, encouraging youth participation in Chumangkan and cultural festivities, supporting community gathering to ensure that the future generation understand their identity. Social unity and harmony. AMCA has acted as a platform to bring Karbis living in different districts and villages together, resolve community conflicts through dialogues and mutual respect, encourage peaceful coexistence and brotherhood with neighboring communities.
Recently, Dangshan hasil autonomous council kelade banpas ya gawi ni an ki bakongsan hadu kata-kata kabakeren sapang kejingte song ya kisnong kejingte song ya giriti kidusur kebangidon hapo kane garwi kujungi gawi ni an ki bakongsan hadu kata-kata ya ki balawara nakaliang jong khasil autonomous council kabangitip kum khasil autonomous administration of ilaka amendment act arja arhulai ya kepala pas dan bisi council hak arpusan tadi September arja arhulai layo bijing menjur na ulat hak sau tadi Oktober arja arhusau but la permi apa gajet jong gajela jong sorkar ha khandai trip Oktober arja pusau kabakeren saphang ka ikhtiar kirang basnong kabakeren saphang kinam sansar kisim ki sardar ha ki ilaka hotel kabakeren saphang komno bante song ye gidor basnong kuno mangindon ka customary law kabaklan kabantum tikna bangilong try ya kerti kedustur ketendau ke siap ke bengi dan kekeren sapang di penklan bor di seng gede kekeren sapang di penklan bor di seng samla di bolong di budlung dan di senong di tahu itu.
Gratitude for this special invitation. Thank you so much for inviting me to this beautiful and vibrant program. This milestone, making over 5 decades of dedication to preserving Karbi identity, culture and heritage is a testament to the unwavering commitment of AMCA and all the members. Reflecting on the journey of AMCA, we must first pay homage to the visionary leaders who laid its foundation. From the early days, figures like Chico Timong, Joy Gado and others who have been instrumental in fostering a sense of belonging among the Karbi people in Meghalaya. Your association, I mean the Angka Association, has not only united communities across districts like our River district, but also has played a vital role in Meghalaya broader history, including contributions to the statehood movement. The reason, last year, Golden Jubilee celebration we have held in Purdua, like Karbi, were a vibrant reminder of this legacy.
We are all very blessed to be born in India. There is unity in diversity. Unity amongst all the different tribes and the major cultural systems that we have in India. But Iran as a country, they wanted to have a homogeneous system, be it in religion, be it in the tribes that they have. Everyone, they want to be safe. So the disadvantage of that is what we see is happening in Iran. Those who are in a better position, are enjoying life, and the have-nots are suffering. But opposite to that, we are very lucky to be in India. We live as brothers, we respect each other, and that is the beauty of India.
Idon palat yaki kadway kadar ki jajun reu ki baper ki badon hapo jaga kuan sensi kajungi. It indicates that our constituency is a unique constituency with different cultures and traditions. When I look into the programs, when I follow up with the programs of the All Karbi, the Meghalaya All Karbi Association, in every of the programs, I could notice that you respect your own identity, you promote your own identity, and at the same time, you are respecting the cultures and traditions of each and every community who are residing within the state of Meghalaya.